sour cream out,
Oh, yeah.
please? Hey everybody, it's Cooking Pro Tips. Today we are doing taco salad. And all I have to do to get my taco salad ready is to chop up the salad, the lettuce. Because I got everything already prepped. Taco salad is so easy to make. So easy to make. Just sit it down over there.
Over here?
Yeah. So, we've got our lettuce. Got that, right? Right. Got our cheese here. But right here, I've got our tomatoes. I'm going to line them up. Right there. This whole month, hope you've enjoyed the salads. We have onions. Next week will be our last salad, and it'll be Greek. I'll take that, please.
Yeah.
Now, it made this really easy for me, and it can be easy for you guys too, is just meat with taco sauce, taco seasoning it, but have your meat already browned in the freezer. Have your beans already cooked and in the freezer. Now, this taco salad can be found in the Joy of Cooking Cookbook on page 163. And I decided I wanted beans with my taco salad. Because I like beans with my taco salad. So I'm just going to put a blob there. These are pinto beans. They have a little bit of sauce in them. And now, I might not need all that cheese. That's good. Mike really shredded up the cheese. So I've got tomatoes, onions, meat, and beans. I'm just going to pile this cheese on the side here. There we go. Get a container to put the rest of the cheese in. Your finger is... Drink some water. You know the rules. So now we've got shredded cheese for other stuff, which is really cool. There we go. Now, let me get a spoon. And FYI, if you ever have a cramp in your toes, your leg, your arm, your fingers, always drink water and it will relieve the cramp. It's shocking but true. Oh, I just made a mess. Okay. Just trying to get the sour cream a little softer. So I'm going to put the sour cream right here in the middle. Now look how pretty that is. Not to mention messy. You're going to need a new napkin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, I had that sour cream everywhere. All right. Now, these are the 2 exact bowls. Okay. And we made our own taco sauce. Now, I think I put this taco sauce on my Substack channel. But I've seasoned the beans, I've seasoned the beef, seasoned the, season the beef, season this. And now we'll put the sour cream on. Oh, I've already got the sour cream on. I think I'm hungry because just all over the board. All right. There's that. A little bit of lettuce left. And now, they said crushed taco tortilla chips. And I let the meat and the beans, I warmed them up, I let them cool down before I put them on here. So, clean up my mess. In reality, this took me probably about 30 minutes from beginning to end, including this prep here. I love taco salad. March has been a month of salads. Big forks today.
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's see how good this is. Sour cream and beans, meat. Can you flip that up?
Flip it up. Like this?
Right there. Now
Okay.
turn it a little bit this way. Beautiful.
Oh, right
Guys.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Could be because I have my own taco sauce. It's so easy. Things are kept in your cupboard. I mean, you got your spices, water, tomato paste. It's a very easy recipe. I'm pretty sure it's on my Substack channel, which is under ArtbyMarianneChristy. Look at all that lettuce.
I won't waste it.
Get that book. Now, if you like spinach with shrimp and bacon, or a lobster salad vinaigrette, or a crab louie, or a lobster or shrimp salad, or a seafood salad, all this is in here. Make sure to get this book. Next week is going to be Greek salad, and after the Greek salad, it's going to be in the month of April, and we're going into pasta. I've been wanting to do pasta. I love pasta. So, I'm excited about April. So anyways, hope you enjoy your salad. Hope you enjoy the video. And happy cooking, and we'll see you next time.